Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I'm going to answer one of the Java interview questions. That is, write a Java program for removing white spaces from a string text. Let me answer this question with practical demonstration. There are multiple ways in Java program we can remove the white spaces from the given string text. So let me explain all the different ways of removing the white spaces from the given string text. First, we'll start with the replace all method. For that, I'll switch to Eclipse IDE and here create a new class. I'll just name this class as class D. Okay, class D with main method. Some random name with main method I'm creating. Here, I'm going to collect the string text from the user. Okay, so for that, I'll just use a scanner. Scanner is equal to new scanner. Like this, I'll create an object for the scanner predefined class in Java. Control Shift O, and here I have to write system.in inside this constructor. Once you write the system.in inside the constructor, now using the scanner object reference, you can call this next line method. Okay, this will collect the string text as an input from the user. Okay, that I'm going to store here. String str is equal to. Okay, now here I'll ask the user to enter that string text. Enter your favorite sentence. Okay, enter your favorite sentence. Okay, like that I'll write some text to be displayed for the user when I'm running the code. Okay, during the runtime, to help the user in inputting this particular text, this particular helping text will be displayed in the output console. Fine. So after this, I would like to close this scanner object as part of the best practice. Otherwise, memory leak will happen. You will get a warning message here. Fine. Then whatever the text I have received from the user, okay, while running this code, whatever the text the user has entered, that will be stored into the str. From that str, I would like to, okay, so I would like to remove the spaces. Before removing the spaces, I would like to print it out, okay, whatever the input text the user has entered, right, that as it is, I'll print it out. After that, I'll use this replace all method, okay. So I'll use this replace all method, str dot replace all. Here regular expression you can give, guys, okay. Here in replace all, you can give the regular expression. So just give the regular expression like this, double /s. That means spaces. Replace them with empty text. Empty text means spaces will be removed. Simple words is spaces will be removed, guys. So hold the mouse on this and you see it is returning you the string str2, I'll say, after removing the final one. Okay, so I'll just print it out. After removing the spaces, all the spaces from the string text, given entered string text, this is the resultant string where all the spaces have been removed. Like this, by using the replace all method, we can provide the regular expression here, double /s. This means spaces. Spaces will be whatever the spaces that are there in the given text will be replaced with the empty string text. Okay, that means spaces will be removed. Okay, after that I'm printing the resultant string text where spaces got removed. Okay, before removing the spaces, this is the string text, and after removing the spaces using replace all method, this is the final string text. Okay, so now let's run this code and see what is happening. It will ask you to enter the favorite sentence. Okay, you can give any sentence, guys. Okay, I'll just give my name is Arun Motori as sample. Okay, you can give any famous sentence that you remember and just press enter here. The moment you press enter here, you see before the string text spaces from the string text got removed. Okay, this string text is looking something like this. After the spaces got removed by the replace all method, you see space got removed here. After name also some space was there that got replaced by the empty string text. Okay, spaces got removed. Okay, like this, using the regular expression in the replace all method, we can do that. Or is there any other way? I'll copy paste this line and here I'll just comment this line, and instead of giving this regular expression, what if I give this a space here and run this? Will it work or not? Is it compulsory to give double /s, or my name is Arun Motori? Press enter. You see still the spaces got removed, guys. either by giving this regular expression or the space as a regular expression by replacing that space with the empty string text. You see, we were able to remove the spaces from the entered string text. Apart from that, there are many other ways, guys. Okay, either you can give this double backward slashes, which means spaces. It will detect the spaces and remove the spaces with the empty string text. Here, spaces will be removed with empty string text. And there are a few other ways, guys. So you can also use replace method. So I'll just comment out this one, copy this one, and simply write down replace. I'll say replace space with empty string text. Now run this code, right click, run as Java application. The replace method also will do the same thing. My name is Arun Motori. Press enter. You see, still the spaces got removed either by using the replace all method or by using the replace method. We can do the same. Okay. So similarly, we can use split method or toCharArray. Otherwise, let's go with the toCharArray. So to remove the spaces, right, I'll just convert this str into the toCharArray. Okay, it will convert this given string text into the character array. The resultant string resultant return type will be character array. Char array car is equal to char array car is equal to for each and every character, or while this so for each and every character, guys. Okay, for each and every character means this okay. But here I have to write char c colon char. Okay, like this I have to write for each loop. So for each and every character I'm checking, I'm iterating this loop and checking what is happening. So what I'm going to do here is for each and every character, I'm going to check if character dot okay is some white space kind of stuff will be there. Is white space. If this particular character in this iteration of the for loop is a white space, okay. If it is not a white space, okay, if it is not a white space, then what we can do? We can allow that. Otherwise, so here you see character dot is white space. If it is not a white space, then it's a normal character, right? For example, if I'm entering my name is Arun Motori, and here all this is a space. Whenever space comes, we will not go into the if condition. Okay. If it's not a white space, we'll go there. So what I will do here is I'll just write some code like this. String buffer str2 is equal to new string buffer. I'll say string buffer str2 is equal to new string buffer, and here I'll say str2 dot. Okay, I'll simply say initially str2 is not assigned with anything. See here, I'll say str2 dot append of C. This character. I'm appending that character if it's not a white space. So finally, I'll just print out this str2 and see whether this particular logic is helping us in removing the spaces from the given string test. My name is Arun space Motori. Press enter. You see the spaces got removed using this logic also. Like this, you can convert to the char array, and for each and every character, you iterate this and check whether if that particular character is a white space, then don't append. If it is not a white space, then append. That means indirectly the white spaces will be removed from the string test. All this variety of answers you can give in the interview, guys. Okay, these are the multiple ways. Okay, we have multiple ways of removing the space from the given string text. Okay. Now the next thing is we can also use the split method. So what I will do is str dot split whatever the string text that is entered by the user with spaces, right? I'm going to split that with spaces. Wherever spaces come, I'm going to split that. It will return you the string array. String array sar is equal to string array. Okay. Now here, wherever the spaces are there, it will split. Now finally, for each and every string, okay, for string s colon sar, for each and every string that is splitted here, okay, I'm going to use this particular stuff like string joiner. Okay, there's something like string joiner. There are multiple ways. String joiner sj is equal to new string joiner. Okay, Control Shift O over the mouse. Here char sequence I have to provide. char sequence I have to provide. So yeah, or else you can also go with other way. But here string joiner sj is equal to new string joiner. How to create the object for this? Add arguments. Let's see. String is there. Okay, string joiner. So then I'll simply write down sj dot add of yes. Okay, sj dot add of yes, and here sj I have to print it out. Okay, I'll just let's see whether I'm getting a proper output or not. Otherwise, I'll just modify this code. My name is Arun. Sorry. Here you see my is there. My name is multiple times it came. That means here it should not be there, guys, but it's there. So how to overcome this problem? Char sequence it's asking me to enter. Maybe I'll just give an empty text. That will be good. So after that, for each and every splitted string text from the SAR, I'm going to add the words. Okay, whatever the spaces between the spaces, whatever the text that got splitted, right? Let's see. This time it may work. My name is Arun Motori. You see now it's working fine. Here you have to give the empty string text. Okay, so that it will add that splitted words. Okay, in the enter string text. All the spaces will be okay. Use it as splitting purpose, and remaining text whatever there it is, right? It will be joined together. Okay, without the spaces they will be joined together. Simple. There's another way, and there's one more way. You can either use this one. You can either use this one, or you can use string builder. String builder SB is equal to multiple ways are there, guys. Okay, you can experiment out them. So string builder. Now here it's very simple compared to this one, earlier one. SB dot append of yes. Okay, that's it. Now print this SB here, and you will see that whatever the text you will enter with spaces, right? The spaces will be removed. And you see, without spaces, the entire text got printed again. Okay. So these are the multiple ways that we can write or use in Java programming. Okay, to remove the spaces. There's no single way. Multiple ways. The general one is replace all. People generally use replace all for removing the spaces from the string test. But for your idea, there are multiple ways that you can write the program in the interviews to impress the interviewer whenever this kind of question comes. Okay. So these are the multiple ways. Either you can use replace all method or toCharArray or replace, split. Multiple ways are there, guys. Multiple ways are there for removing the spaces, white spaces from the given string text by writing a Java code in the Java program. Okay. With practical demonstration, I've answered this particular question with multiple ways or multiple solutions. So that's all for this session. Thank you. Bye-bye.